Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this video we're going to recap the euro. So many questions about how we're trading the euro, how I'm trading the euro. So first of all, there are 3 ways that you can trade the euro. Well, actually 4. You've got, of course, the main place that I trade it. That's going to be the Forex side, euro versus US dollar. We've got the FXE, which is the currency share ETF. Okay. And then you've got, of course, got the EC futures, so Euro FX futures. And then you've got options on futures and the ETF, okay? Now, anytime I'm playing currencies, unless I want to go the options route, I am going to go the Forex route, all right? Unless I need options. And I'll typically then go to either FXE or Euro. The choice between that is how much time do I want to have to pay for. You know, with Euro, I don't mind going out to a December contract on the Euro FX, on the Z contract. On FXE, like for example, what I'm going to talk about here today is what if you're looking at the Euro going into the next catalyst? We've been talking about catalysts for weeks now. In fact, the last catalyst we wanted to take advantage of was the one that got us our last fill between 118 and 117. So playing that 100 pip range between the handles was the last time that when the market corrected, we played the retracement. We bought the euro into weakness, but here's the key. We bought the euro into weakness within the context of an uptrend. Now, how am I confident that this is an uptrend? I mean, apart from the fact that we've had a month string of higher highs and higher lows, visually, I can glance at any chart, any time frame, any symbol. Look at the grab candles. Grab is just an acronym for green, red, and blue. My grab candles and the 3 lines, the green, blue, and red lines of my 34 EMA wave, I can identify the sentiment, momentum, trend, and also the retracements. It's practically automated for you. I've been using these candles for literally decades. Color-coded candles are some of my favorite tools, and this one will make sure you understand when a market is trending, when you're losing the trend, when the market's chopping, and when the market has reversed. Very important, because every one of those stages of market action, of price action, has a different strategy that I will deploy to take advantage of that psychology. So grab candles are the touchstone to everything that I do. And so here with the green grab and here with the 34 EMA wave, would I like to take advantage of a pullback to 118 to about 117.80? That would be a really good range. In fact, I'm going to be looking for a range. Let's tighten this up a bit. I'd say about 118.10 down to 117.85. Now, the last variable, it's twofold. One is the catalyst, non-farm payroll, 8:30 a.m. Friday, and then what the hourly price movement range is. And let me show you that here. The hourly price movement range for the euro. Now, this is information that we use day in and day out in the website, because what it allows us to do is kind of, like I like to say, look around corners. What kind of volatility am I going to expect on Friday? I'm going to look for this market, the euro, to push the upper end of psychology, which is almost a full handle on the euro US. Now you might say, well, Rog, I don't trade the euro US. No problem. You're still going to use this chart to enter something on the EC futures, the euro FX futures, or on the FXE, if you're looking to play the currency share. I would highly recommend, when you're playing currencies, to play the Forex markets. You know, really, just for currencies, that's going to be 1,000% your best bet. That's exactly what I would recommend when you play the currency markets. By the way, a couple of things coming up. If you're in the Dallas area, October the 7th, we'll be doing a Simpler Trading Forex full day webinar on the 7th. More details to come. I mean, if you're interested in currency trading, yeah, sit down with someone who's been doing it for about 20 years, and the Forex side even longer when you throw in the futures, and I'll show you the tools that I use, including this auto chartist, including the different charting platforms I use. how to enter orders, how to understand the Forex markets, how to use Darvis and the wave and the grab. And actually, we'll be giving away a lot of very cool things during this. And oh, by the way, it's going to be free. Sponsored by Oanda. We'll be doing that October the 7th in Dallas, Texas at the Hyatt Regency Dallas reunion. All right, what else is going on tonight? Whether you can catch this live or by recording, check it out. We are doing a Bitcoin webinar tonight, blockchain, Bitcoin, and beyond. I am so stoked for this. Last time I bought Bitcoin was back October of 2016. My cost, when you average it out, is $438. Why? Because I'm using a lot of the tools that I'm teaching you guys. Wave, 34 EMA wave, the grab candles, and the Darvis. And I actually don't call it just basic Darvis. It really is modern day Darvis. It's really just a modern range box. No one really uses traditional Darvis anymore. But how do I use it? Well, how I got into Bitcoin had a lot to do with those tools right there. But last time I got in was $438. And I've got my eye on a couple other things. But a lot of the popular questions that I get about Bitcoin, we'll be answering a lot of those. If you're a member, we'll send you out the recording. If you're not a member, hey, reserve your seat. You can have access to this webinar. All you need to do is go to, and I think the link is going to be in the email that you got, but it's simplertrading.co/blockchain-bitcoin-webinar. Again, if you want to register, it's simplertrading.co/blockchain-bitcoin-webinar. Looking forward to seeing you all there. And we'll be updating a lot more of what I'm looking for on the euro, but you got a good look at it right here. I mean, we're going to be looking for those opportunities to get long again. Okay, this will be the 5th time that I enter since May of 2017, and looking forward to some of you grabbing, I think, what's going to be a continued move throughout 2017 to 125. So yeah, we still have about 600-700 pips to go. Would love for you guys to catch some of it. More on that tomorrow. I'll see you in the next update.